Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your website design with Squarespace step by step clearly. Open your Squarespace account and log in. Choose the site you want to upgrade. Navigate to the design menu on the left sidebar. Click on Template to explore available designs. Browse through the template options provided by Squarespace. Select a template that fits your brand's aesthetic. Click Start with this design to apply the template. Preview the template to see how it looks in action. If it meets your needs, click Install to apply it to your site. Once installed, go back to the design menu. Click on Site Styles to customize your new template. Adjust fonts, colors, and spacing to match your brand identity. Use the live preview to see your changes in real time. Update your header and footer sections as needed. Add or rearrange sections on your homepage for better content flow. Incorporate high-quality images and videos that reflect your brand. Make sure all buttons and links are functional and accessible. Test your site on different devices to ensure a responsive design. Consider adding animations or transitions for enhanced user experience. Once satisfied with the design, click Save to keep your changes. Finally, publish your site to make your upgraded design live. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.